Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram Explorer page. Is your Instagram Explorer page showing random or unwanted posts? Here's how to reset and fix your Explorer page in just a few steps. Instagram shows content based on what you search. For that, first open the Instagram app, go to the search bar, click the post and watch them for a few seconds. This tells Instagram what you want to see. Now like the post or the video that you enjoy. Instagram learns from likes, saves, time spent watching. The most important thing, the more you engage with good content, the better your explore page become. See a post you don't like, tap the three dot on the post, then choose not interested. Instagram will stop showing similar content. Your explorer page is affected by who you follow. Go to the following list, unfollow the account that posts content you don't enjoy. This helps clear your feed and explore page. After a few days, your explorer page will start showing content you like. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.